Avocado oil has so many nutrient, amazing benefits for hair and skin. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my homemade avocado oil for hair growth. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, it is all about homemade avocado oil for hair growth, healthy hair and skincare. So let's make this avocado oil together. So to make this avocado oil, I'll be using this medium-sized avocado. Now this is a sign that this is fully ripe. Once the stalk at the head falls off easily, it is a sign that it is fully ripe. I go ahead to slice it into two, take the seed out, and then I'll go straight to scooping the avocado right into my blender. Okay, so there are several ways to make avocado oil. There are so many ways you can make avocado oil, but this recipe I'm sharing here is one that I love so much. It is easy, very simple to make, and you will also have a fantastic result. One thing about avocado oil is that it has so many benefits for our hair. Avocado oil is great for oiling the scalp. Because the oil is lightweight, it can easily penetrate the hair shaft. It contains vitamin D, which helps to also promote hair growth. It helps to regenerate new hair follicles. Avocado oil is great for both sensitive skin combination dry skin. Dry skin will actually love this oil the most, especially if for someone with flakes or dandruff, this oil is one you should try. So in the blender I have my avocado and I'm going in with half a cup of my olive oil. Now you can choose any oil of your choice, ranging from grapeseed oil, coconut oil, almond oil, any oil of your choice, but I will recommend you use a lightweight carrier oil. Using a lightweight carrier oil is best so as to avoid any strong or hard oil that can clog pores. Okay, so I have blended my avocado oil and I just want that smooth, velvety kind of texture. So I'm going to blend it one more time. Alright, so this is what I'm actually looking for. Here I have it and it looks so rich. Now this is good if you also want to do deep conditioning. You can just use it right away to add its other nutrients or other ingredients and deep condition your hair. But this video is not about deep conditioning. We're actually making avocado oil. So now that our avocado puree is ready, it is time to kind of stir fry this. Now I'm using a low heat here. You can choose a slow cooker or you can just put your pan on a low heat as I'm doing right away. So once I have everything right into the pan, I go ahead to stir. It took me 5 minutes or thereabout to get this ready. I kept on stirring. I did not leave it, so I will recommend you keep on stirring it. Once you leave it, it's likely to burn. So yeah, here we are. Our oil is getting ready. Okay, so once you see this bubble, like these bubbles fully settled at the top, then the oil is almost ready. What I normally do at this time is to gently, patiently scoop out the bubbles, just to make sure that I don't have any kind of moisture in the oil anymore. Okay, so our oil is ready, and I waited for it to cool down properly before I am able to sieve. So I go ahead to sieve out this oil. Now the trick here is not to press or touch this residue. I actually leave it and allow the oil to gently drop down into the bowl. I don't touch it. I don't do anything to it. I don't scoop it or turn it with spoon or spatula. I just let it rest and allow the oil to gently, like it is dropping gently. This way you won't really have much residue, or the oil will not mix with the residue anyway. So this is how I do it. And even after I take out the sieve, I also let the oil sit for some minutes, just to make sure that whatever residue or moisture that is still in the oil settles at the bottom of the bowl. So this is my avocado oil, very ready. I'm going to gently transfer it to my other bowl, my cup, my measuring cup actually. And I'm being very careful. I don't want the residue or part of the moisture at the bottom to be mixed with the one I'm transferring, so that this one will be able to last longer, last for at least some weeks, while the other one I'm using it right away on my hair and on my daughter's hair. So this is what my avocado oil looks like. It is very bright green in color, very beautiful. I think it looks more beautiful off camera than on camera. So I go ahead to transfer it to this amber bottle. I prefer this bottle because it kind of helps to store the oil longer. So even when I'm transferring it into my amber bottle, I'm being very careful so I don't add the residue at the bottom where you have moisture and the residue. So I'm being very careful. I've reserved that. I'm going to use it straight away on my hair and on my daughter's hair. And then I'm going in with 1 capsule of vitamin E. Now this vitamin E is just to prolong the shelf life of this oil, to help it last longer. And then I'm shaking it to make sure that it is properly mixed. And this is my homemade avocado oil. Very easy, right? Very easy, very simple. This is the hot process. I call it oil and hot process method. There is also the cold process method where you make your virgin avocado oil. That one is very fantastic too, but I feel like this one saves me more time. And so this is my avocado oil. I'm kind of oiling my daughter's scalp here. And the good thing about this oil is that it is lightweight and child friendly as well. It is natural, it is vegan and very child friendly. So I'm using it on my daughter's scalp here. So Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I do hope you find it helpful. Let me know in the comment section, how do you prefer your avocado oil? If you see you soon. Bye.